B for update.
Dispatch, backup required. We need rhinos, over.
10-4 units are crewing. Will advise when en route.
All units go.
Copy that. We're going to need a make and model on that suspect, over.
A suspect in a BMW GTR.
10-6. Update will follow. Units are being diverted from secondary duty. 10-6 for backup. Suspect is currently heading.
Be advised, rhinos are forming a roadblock ahead.
All units, check NBC for update.
Dispatch, backup required. We need rhinos, over.
10-4 units are crewing. Will advise when en route.
Dispatch, 10.2. I'm still in pursuit.
10-3 units, be advised. Traffic is flowing around 11:55.
He's trying to lose us. He's taking it off-road. Pursuit is joining the road.
Suspect is currently heading west.
Fugitive lost. We're going to need to get teams into search patterns.
10-4. Grid by grid search has been authorized to locate code 3 suspect.
Dispatch, have we got units on that last zone heading? Be good to know if the suspect's ahead or coming back, over.
All search units. Additional perimeter units are now in place. Over.
All units, hit the grid. Sweep the area from last zone, over.
Gate box.
Roadblock, let's close off the escape route. Control, we're out here. Dispatch, I just lost contact with my suspect. Sit down, roadblock just got hit. He's back on the road, back on the road.
Lead. Duty has additional on 10-6.
for backup. Suspect in a heavy collision. Suspect evaded. Continue search of current path and work out from here.
10-4, grid by grid search authorized.
Suspect located. Back on the move. We need highway units detailed. Over.
Copy that. MVC update issued to all local units.
Dispatch, we have to shut down the perimeter so we can work with the suspect reacquired.
Advise on code.
Continuing, clear any highway down.
Code 3 suspect is southbound.
Pursuit is rejoining the road. Contact the suspect, boss. Dispatch, guys just outrun me. We need all units detailed to go grid by grid.
10-4, all units to commence grid by grid, over.
Dispatch, I have him. Dispatch, we have units ahead of pursuit. We need a roadblock, over. Dispatch, show me joining pursuit, over. Roadblock hit.
Suspect is currently heading west.
Can you advise on secondary? Road obstructed. Suspect is attempting to block us. Dispatch, inform all units we have established a roadblock. Watch their approach. The highway is blocked.
Copy that. Code 3 pursuit is heading east. Additional 1030 en route from south, over.
Dispatch, code 3 continues. It's not responding.
Supervisor is... Be advised, suspect is northbound. All units now cleared. Code 3 units, any update?
We are continuing code 3. Dispatch, roadblock is now in place.
10-4. Units are being deployed to divert traffic from pursuit areas.
Watch him, he's heading back on the road. I don't have a visual on code 3. Anyone? Oh, units, I've got an empty road. Anyone else have eyes on the suspect?
10-4, grid by grid search authorized. Coordinate with lead, over.
Dispatch, I got him. Show me in pursuit.
Advise when in pursuit.
Dispatch, confirm code 3 authorization. I'm in need of assistance, over.
Backup currently unavailable. Supervisor is retasking units. Stand by for update.
All units, watch out for debris on the road. lost that code 3. I'm gonna need backup to find him.
10-4. All units, code 3 suspect has evaded pursuit. Commence standard search, over.
Dispatch, this is lead. I haven't got a visual, but perimeter report suspect is still in the area.
Be advised, duty sergeant recommending units go code 2 for search, over.
All units in the search area. Let's try and get a check on stationary. This guy might have gone aground, over.
Be advised, backup units are being routed to aid with search.